Students, be silent. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, our chief guests, staff members, and my dear students. A very happy independence to each and every one of us. Today we are celebrating the 79th day of our 79th Independence Day of our country. On this day in 1947, our nation became free from British rule. We remember the brave freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and many more. So students, do you know what is freedom? Do you know what is freedom? Yes. What is freedom? Can anybody tell me what is freedom? Okay, students, anyone who know what is freedom? Okay, I would like to say, it means that we speak freely. We go to school, play and dream of a bright future. But along with freedom, there is also a responsibility for each and every one of us. So students, it is our duty to respect our parents, teachers, and to be kind to everyone, to study well and work hard. And also to keep our surrounding clean, to love our country and to take care of our country. Independence Day is not about hoisting the flag or singing the national anthem. It is about living up to the values our nation will have built on: justice, equality, unity and peace. So students, you are the future of this country. And let us not forget the soldiers who protect our borders, the farmers who feed our nation, the workers, doctors, teachers, and every citizen who contribute to the growth of India. So today let us pledge to respect our freedom fighters, to value our constitution, to strive every day to build a stronger and united India. Jai Hind, thank you everyone. Once again, happy Independence Day to all of us.